Hey everyone, a few months ago I bought a new van. I was looking for something small enough to go to work in every day, go shopping, but also big enough to put my bikes in it and also feel comfortable if I want to sleep in it occasionally. So I ended up buying a Caddy Maxi. It's ex-British gas and there's quite a few things I want to improve on it and upgrade to make it look quite cool on the outside. I already bought it with color-coded bumpers and mirrors, but today I would like to show you what I've done to the back of the van during lockdown. When I bought the van there was nothing at the back, it was just bare because the dealer I bought it off already took the British gas racking out, so that made it really easy for me. And the only thing which was left was a lot of wiring, what British gas used for their phones and internet and stuff, so that all had to come out. And I also wanted to insulate it because I want to sleep in it sometimes. So behind these boards there's two layers of insulation. The first one is bubble wrap covered in foil and the second one are these recycled plastic bottles. Then we were looking online for some ply lining kits, but the only thing you can find are these kits for builders vans, and they look quite shite. They got holes everywhere and we wanted it to look cool. So Mike just went and bought some plywood and cut these boards and the floor to exactly what we needed. Then we had to decide how to cover the wheel arches, because you can either carpet it all and leave it how it is, but we decided to box it up just so it gives us a bit more storage space, and hopefully it will stop me just chucking things in the van, so I have place to put little things. So hopefully this should make it a little bit more practical. In this box on this side there's also all the electrics hidden, the fuse box for the back of the van and the relays for the lights, which I'll come back to later. There's two USB chargers on each side of the van, so we can charge our GoPros and phones and whatever we need when we're sleeping in it. Mike is sparky by trade, so he put together these cool switches. They light up as soon as I open the door. And he also asked our mates from Rodbox Metalworks if they can laser cut these metal plates so he could fit these switches into it and fit it above each door. So white button turns the white lights on, purple button, purple lights on, red button turns everything off. And because Mike knows that I'm forgetful and I'll leave it on, he put every light on adjustable time relays, so it turns itself off after a few minutes of whatever we set up for. I reckon the best button is the purple one, which lights up the roof and also the VW logos on the sides. You might have seen this already on my Instagram. We put 3 Clug bike racks on the back of the bulkhead, added an extra strap for the rear wheel, and the whole bike is actually held by these ratchet straps using the hooks on the floor, so the bike's not moving at all. Another couple of things we've done to it is this cool VW logo on the back door, and the most important thing, VW bottle opener. I've got more plans for the outside of the van which I'm really excited about, so I'll do another video once it's all finished. So please let me know what you think. Click here if you would like to see a video about the Clug bike rack, and let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions what I should do with the van on the outside. Thanks for watching, bye!